Welcome to online classes for chemistry 9 class. Our today's topic is atom, the building block of matter. The name atom has been derived from Greek words which means the atoms, which means indivisible or which cannot be quoted further. This originated because scholars of ancient Greek believed all stars are made up of tiny invisible particles which they name atoms. They name what? They name them atoms. In the modern era, Joel Dalton proposed his atomic theory and named the basic constituent of matter as atom. Although atoms are the small unit of matter and hence it is building block of matter, but still they are not invisible now. So nowadays atom is defined as the smallest unit particle of matter which takes part in chemical reactions and show all properties of an element. If a piece of gold is divided into two fragments, each fragment will show the character of gold. The gold is identified by the peculiar physical and chemical properties. When it is divided into more fragments, again each fragment is the representative of chemical properties of gold. The division is continued until the last fragment achieved, which is called an atom. Atoms are small particles, tiny particles. They can't be seen by the naked eyes or any traditional microscope. A recent technique called scanning tunneling microscopic STM, this is called, have made atoms visible up to a little extent. An image of gold foil by STM is shown here in figure. Look at over here. Okay, now come to our topic. The atom normally do not exist freely in nature, though some exceptions are there. All the members of a group 18 in a periodic table called the noble gases exist as a single atom, but their existing atoms are written as a monoatomic molecules. Although atom is invisible by using special technique and experiment, scientist has created a picture of atom that defines the atom as being built up of smaller particles.